Today I'm going to show you how to integrate a shop into Meta Business Suite. So in Meta Business Suite, you'll have the sidebar over here. In the sidebar, you're going to go all the way to the bottom. You're going to look for settings. And once you have clicked on settings, you'll be able to see on the left-hand side an additional sidebar. You will now see data sources. Open up data sources, and over here you want to look for catalogs. Now, under catalogs, you'll be able to create a catalog. So if you click on add over here, you'll be able to now either request access to an existing catalog, or you can create a new catalog. Now, once you choose to create a new catalog, you can then click on continue over here, and it'll now redirect you to a new page. Now here, you'll be able to choose your catalog type. You can then also connect to a partner platform. Now, this is where the integration comes in. So if you select this on, you'll be able to click on select a partner platform. And here you can integrate your shop, which is an existing shop, into Meta Business Suite. So let's say, for example, we're using Shopify. Again, your business portfolio that you are using, you can choose from here. You can also then add in your Shopify website. Now, this will be your website.shopify.com. Whichever other partner you're using, of course, their URL or their website, the name of your shop will be different. And then you are going to either allow people within your business account to have full access or not, and then click on continue to Shopify. Now, once you click on continue to Shopify, you will have the option to connect or integrate your Shopify store. Now, this will include just giving permissions, check through the permissions, and allow the connection. And once you're done, you'll be able to literally import that entire catalog or that shop into Meta Business Suite.